There's Jackson. Hey, there we go. Oh, that's better. Nice. All right, so we'll take a look at some of these. Looks like we have 60 submissions. We got a couple decent ones. So first up is from, we're just going to go through randomly and select these. We'll probably look more off stream. Don't switch to it just yet because people's emails are on here. You know these things. But this guy submitted one that he said, let me read the description, has a 2600 with an RX 580. He bought a 390 Optics a year or two ago, spent $270 in total with upgrades. He's a photographer and video editor and really appreciate a small overhaul. So let's see what this thing looks like. So it does look like it's an Optiplex. Not the prettiest thing in the world. If we could get confirmation that it was a newer Optiplex, it could be an easy case swap kind of deal. Or you could do swap.
Did you say what i5 it has?
I think he said 3470. So some of those might or might not. Look, that has a standard fan connector.
It has a 24 pin.
Has a 24 pin, has that. It's just a matter of the front panel connector. So potentially this could be a candidate with a case swap.
Look at that other picture. He has the... What is that in the front? It looks
that's
like
the
PCI
Yeah,
bracket.
the PCI cover right there. That's
He says it like missing.
Interesting. But it looks like he upgraded the power supply. He got all that upgraded. So how are you guys doing? Good?
But see, this is a good candidate. It's like the type of stuff that like we're honestly looking for.
Yeah, we're looking for something that like can actually be easily upgraded. We're not going to be doing any crazy performance upgrades. The main thing we'll be doing is maybe slapping in some RGB fans, maybe a new case, something like that where we can make things look a lot better. Something like this would work very well. A whole lot we can do to this. I mean, the cable management isn't the best, but you have...
Yeah.
There's not a whole lot we can do with it. It's a
single stick of RAM.
Yeah. Other than adding another stick of RAM, I mean, that's pretty much the max we can do with that one. So, it is what it is. 3100X is a good combination with an RX 580. Heck yeah, it is. I can't get to my PC because I'm in the hospital to show. Oh, what's going on, man? You doing all right?
Roswell?
Yeah. I think I remember seeing this one. This one wasn't too bad. It has one RGB fan.
That's an OEM board and everything, isn't it?
Yeah, it's an OEM board. Actually, I think, is that?
I mean, the cooler is like tilted sideways.
Yeah, so I think it's an OEM one with a GPU. That one's not that bad. Cable management's a little rough.
Yeah.
It's not the worst. I'm still thinking the first one's the best right now, though.
First one, yeah, in my opinion, is definitely like the most like.
These are this is not really the point. Like
it's actually like a nice build.
Yeah, so not we ain't doing that. Sadly, there's not a whole lot we could do. I know we weren't like super clear on like what we wanted, but just to clarify, it'd be perfect. Like the perfect candidate for this would be either like an Optiplex that's easy to case swap, custom built PC from like a couple years ago, like 3, 4, 5 years ago, that is just a little bit dusty, maybe can have some like RGB and aesthetic upgrades. Yeah, that's pretty much what we're looking for. Just something that we can like revamp pretty easily without having to do a total overhaul. So
the only problem with this one is we'd literally have to get a new motherboard for it, and then like swap everything over, which wouldn't be the end of the world, but
yeah, with other candidates out there, it's not, you know.
That's like one of them.
I don't know.
You said it's an Optiplex?
It's a Lenovo.
Like a Lenovo. It's a
Lenovo. Yeah. I just guessed it was an Optiplex. Yeah, it's Lenovo. I don't really know if those are case swappable.
I don't know. If it's a 2400, I mean,
maybe. I
wouldn't think that they had like super OEM stuff by then,
yeah,
but
we'll probably keep that one in mind and see. I have a 1700X CD Super, 30 gigs of RAM, and a 2003 aluminum server case. I like that. Classic. What else are we rocking with? 4590 with a 750. Ooh, let's see what we got here.
Lots of pictures.
I think I remember seeing this one. This was one of the first submissions I know Zach showed me. God. So yeah, it's dusty.
Okay.
It's a little dusty boy. Has an older case with like a fan on the side. Definitely could use a case swap. Nice. Okay.
Definitely OG. Yeah.
Yeah, it's definitely older.
I don't hate that one.
That one's not bad.
Should we like have a sticky note somewhere or something where we put like you know
I'll
1
put some names
and
on.
like 13, then we can check like let's say we have 5 at the end.
Yeah, you saw at the main cam. I'll start a sticky note. Burner.